MeghalayaPost.news.
Ka Lympung Ilakai Cricket Kabanikong Hariboy, Jongka Central Riboy Cricket Association CRCA Kabalai Kerteng ka First Central Riboy Cricket League Deus Ball Kalayo ban Sdang mentaka sengin da kajungya kun Kabanikong hapdeng ka Best of the Best Sumiam Cricket Club Persya ya ka Benres Cricket Club Kabalalong Hamadani Ilakai Umsning Sports and Cultural Playground Umsning ya ketika Lympung lawan ban play Presiden ka Meghalaya Cricket Association u James P.K. Sangma kumukongsan hakajing don lang Presiden KRBUF u Babipul thank you kum sembut kongsan Chantania Awasti, IAS SDO Kaptar Khma, lembar kino yalam ka CRCA, ubadon kupar sumer kum Presiden, Baroki Maroin Vice President, lembar kiwei kiriurang ba kathan. Habapay siya katega jingil ekay, ka Best of the Best Umyam Cricket Club, kala job ya ka jingkenting pisa, bat kala jiet ban bol nengkong, bat ailat ya ka Benres Cricket Club ban tiet nengkong, bat kala yo ban kamay sispa arpo praron, na kiarpo over bat duno kandai wicket, bat ka Umyam kahab ban tiet sispa arp kandai ron ban yo ya ka nam job. Hababe pat ya kata sispa arab kandairon balabu target de ka Benres Cricket Club ka Best of the Best Umyam Cricket Club kalala ban be ya kata thong tang hapo khatsan over saw ball hakaba kala yo ban tiet hadu sispa lai pulairon bat khalam no tang saw ngut kinong tiet balap liam sundon ya ka Benres CC dan ri weekend hakata ju ka sengiu Presiden ke MCA James P.K. Sangma lembar kinong ilam ka association kilalej ban jurip ya ka jaka jong ka Central Riboy Cricket Association kabadan hakasnong Umsning nong tumai kabalai sung bahada kasnong nakabenta bantay ya Madani lekai ka bakham paka
Sir, cricket has always been a passion for the youth of Riboy for many years. Our players have been actively playing tennis ball cricket in villages and local grounds. Tennis ball cricket has played a very important role in building interest and love for the game among our players. Therefore, today we are not here to condemn tennis ball cricket, but to take a step forward in the development of cricket in our district. Sir, for information, a group of our former players from Riboy who have played cricket in the past came together with a vision. We realized that if our young players are to compete at higher levels, they must be given exposure to the real format of the game. That is why we decided to introduce youth ball cricket in Riboy. Today, with the launch of this league, we are beginning a new chapter in the cricketing history of our district. This is the first youth ball cricket tournament in Riboy, and we are truly encouraged to see that within a very short span of time, 24, for information sir, 24 clubs have come forward to participate. This shows the tremendous enthusiasm, talent, passion for the cricket that exists among a youth. Cricket in India has grown into a global powerhouse because of the vision of the leadership of the BCCI in India. Through strong grassroots developments, proper infrastructure and opportunities for young players, the BCCI has transformed cricket in our country and brought countless talents from small towns and rural areas to the national and international stage.
Whenever I used to visit many of the cricket tournaments, I used to see only the tennis ball cricket. But in the discussion happened in the last time, I was there with my friends. We were sitting in one of the restaurants, they were discussing regarding why don't we start playing with the real dues. Then in our discussion we said long time back when we was a child, there was 3 teams I know that they used to play with the real dues. These 3 teams I remember, that is from Kadamkulai, Jail Point, Sumer and Umiam. Most of the players, these 3 teams used to play with the real dues in their ground, but in many grounds in Ribhoi district I don't find out that they are playing with the real dues. So I congratulate Master Don Sumer, Rocky Marwan and his team to come up with this association, and immediately after forming the association they came up with this league. I was a little bit surprised to learn even there are almost 24 teams who have participated with this. In a very few days they could collect almost for 24 teams and clubs who has participated in the first league of the Central Ribhoi. In Ribhoi district I didn't find any ground, but yesterday when I gave a call to my friends who are members in this association, he told me that he was here present in the ground in maintaining the ground, but I was a little bit surprised to see this time that the ground which my football team has just played last few weeks back was a football ground, but today I was a little bit surprised to see that the ground they had do all the artwork. I think association has invested not only in running the tournament but even in maintaining the ground too.
Congratulate them that despite this very, very short time after their formation, they have been able to really come together and work together and organize this cricket league tournament. This is not a small task. It is a very challenging task, and it really goes to show the kind of leadership and the kind of passion and dedication that the members of the Central Ribhoi Cricket Association have. So I would like to, on behalf of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, thank them from the bottom of my heart for this lovely initiative that they are taking, for the kind of contribution that they are making to cricket in our state, not just in Central Ribhoi but for the entire state, and for the opportunity that they are giving to all the cricketers, the amount of talent that is available in this district to all those players. So a very big thank you to Badon Sumer, to Baroki and to all the members of Central Ribhoi Cricket League. As was mentioned by Badon, the president of the association, that this is part of a grassroots initiative, and I cannot really say more than what he has already mentioned. Grassroots cricket is an integral and extremely important part of how cricket comes up in any state. It is actually the very foundation based on which cricket will slowly emerge and develop. I am quite surprised today that despite the amount of the teams that are participating in this league today, 24 as we were already told, that such kind of grassroots initiatives was lacking in Ribhoi district. I'm quite surprised. But it is a pleasant surprise for me, because today, after this league tournament has been organized, we have seen that all these teams have been able to take this opportunity and participate in this league. So better late than never, and it is a very good initiative. I wish Central Ribhoi Cricket Association all the very best in this tournament. I wish all the participating teams, the clubs, all of them, all the very best. May the best team win, but at the end of the day, may cricket win. that is from the deepest corners of my heart, my best wishes to all of you, to the entire Central Rivoy district, and to all the players and the participating leagues.
MeghalayaPost.news.